Hello my dear students, welcome back in science classes. I am Jakpreet Kaur, your science teacher. Dear student, in the previous video we have discussed the chapter number 6, that is the tooth and the microbes. So I have already explained you the internal structure of the tooth, okay, and I have also explained you the different types of the teeth. So today we are going to know about the teeth, okay, from this structure. So this is the structure of your teeth, okay, dentine structure. So this is the upper structure, okay, the teeth that are present on your upper jaws and the teeth that are present in your lower jaws. Okay, so this is the upper structure of the teeth and this is the lower structure of your teeth. So basically if you will count here, there are the 20 sets of the teeth, okay, 10 in one jaw and the 10 sets of the teeth in the lower jaw. So basically this is the dentine structure of the babies, okay, not of the adult. ये जो structure है, this is of babies, okay. So here first teeth, okay, this one, these two, first is the central incisors, then second these two, okay, this is the lateral incisors, then the canines are there, first molar, second molar. So in the previous video I have explained you that there are the incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. So here you can see that the premolars are not there, okay, premolars are absent, okay. In babies premolars are absent, okay, so that's why. And the second is the this is the set of the second molar. So how many molars were there? 3 sets of the molar were there. So first set is this and second is this, but the third set of the molar is absent in the babies, okay, or in the small kids. So here the lower jaw, this is the second molar, then the first molar, canine, lateral incisors and the central incisors, okay. So as I have told you that there are the 20 sets. How many sets? 20 sets of teeth, okay, 20 sets of the teeth are there in small kids, ठीक है, in the small kids. But in the adult, how many sets of the teeth are there? There are 32 sets. How many? 32 sets. Okay. So as I have told you, the dentine formula, okay, the teeth formula, that is in adult. In adult, the teeth formula is 2 1 2 3, okay, and upon 2 1 2 3. So this is, okay, equals to 16 teeth are above and 16 teeth are above, which is equals to how many? 32. How many? 32, okay. If we add this 16 plus 16, then this is 32, okay. But in small kids, okay, in the small kids of the age, you can say the 15, okay, or 10, 12, 15. So there's the formula of their teeth is the 2102, okay, 2102 upon 2102, 2102 upon 2102, okay. I am not erasing this one, this is written here, lateral incisor, so don't get confused. This is over 2102 over 2102, as I have written here 2123 over 2123. The same way here 2102 2102, okay, which is, if we will add this 2 plus 2 4 means the two pairs are there, so there it will be double. 2 plus 2 4, 1. Okay, 1 means the one pair means there are the 2. Okay, and the 2 here also. So 4 plus 4 8 and plus 2 10. Okay, so this will be 10 over 10 means 10 plus 10 equals to how many? 20 pairs. Okay, how many? 20 pairs. So this is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Okay, now if you will see this will be incisor set. Okay, I ratio canine, then ratio premolars, and then molars. Okay, ICPM. ICPM. I means the incisor, C means the canine, P means premolars, and M means the molars. So here are the two pairs of the incisors, one pair of the canine, two pair of the premolars, and three pairs of the molars. Okay, in the upper jaw, and the same is there in the lower jaw. Okay, so how many total sets in the adult? How many sets of the teeth are there? That is the 32. 32. Okay, but in the babies, there are the how many sets of the teeth are there? 20. 20. Okay, 10 in each jaw. So here also, if you will count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and in down one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 and 10, 20. Okay, 10 are here and 10 are here. 20 teeth. So this is okay. So when the babies were of 6 to 7 of the months, okay, 6-7 months, so that time their teeth starts erupting. Okay, when the babies are of 6 to 7 month old, then their teeth starts erupting. Okay, and the teeth that erupt in the babies are known as the milk teeth, okay, or the temporary teeth. But this teeth erupts till the age of the 3. When the babies are of 3 years old, till that age, your teeth, all the 10 sets in each of the jaw, okay, means the 20 sets of the teeth erupt at the age of the 3. Okay, so then after few years, okay, up to we can say 10 to 12 years or 15 years, this milk teeth shades off one by one, and in place of that teeth, your permanent teeth erupt. Okay, permanent teeth erupt. Now the one question is there, why in these babies there are only 20 sets of the teeth, but in the adult there are the 32 sets of the teeth. This is because when the babies are there, their jaws are small, okay, and the narrower. So that's why their teeth are less in number. But as you grow, your jaw also gets broader and big, so the teeth also increase. Okay, so the number of the teeth also increase here. Is it clear? So this is that we have studied here. Okay, now let's see with the help of the table that at the which age which teeth erupt, and at what age the teeth get shed off, with the help of this table. So from this table you can see the upper teeth, okay, they erupt, means at what age it erupt and at what age it shades. So the first the set of the teeth is erupt at the age of the 8 to 12 months. Okay, when the baby is of 8 to 12 months, then the first set of the teeth erupts. So and this set shed off at the age of 6 to 7 years. Okay, then the lateral incisors, it erupt at the age of 9 to 13 months, and then it shed off at the age of 7 to 8 years. Canines, it erupts at the age of 16 to 22 months, okay, and then it shed off at the age of 10 to 12 years. First molar, it erupts at the age of 13 to 19 months and shed off at the age of 9 to 11 years. Second molar, then it erupts at the age of 25 to 33 months and shed off at the age of 10 to 12 years. Now this is the lower teeth. Lower means the teeth that are present in your lower jaw. Okay, so the second molar, it erupts at the age of 23 to 31 months and shed off at the age of 10 to 12 years. First molar erupts at the age of 14 to 18 months and shed off at the age of 9 to 11 years. Canine erupts at the age of 17 to 23 months and shed off at the age of 9 to 12 years. Lateral incisors erupts at the age of 10 to 16 months and shed off at the age of 7 to 8 years. Central incisors erupts at the age of 6 to 10 months and shed off at the age of 6 to 7 years. Means somehow the upper teeth and the lower teeth, they erupt at the same age. Okay, and it shed off also at the same age, but little difference is there, not much. Okay, so this is, now let's see the next. So now let's see the permanent teeth when it erupts. So the central canine, it erupts at the age of 7 to 8 years. Erupts means से कब निकलते हैं. ओके, जब दांत टूट जाते हैं तो उसके बाद कब निकलते हैं, किस एज में निकलते हैं, that is known as an erupt. Okay, so the central incisors, it erupts at the age of 7 to 8 years. Then the lateral incisors erupt at the age of 8 to 9 years. Canine erupts at the age of 11 to 12 years. First premolar erupt at the age of 10 to 11 years. Okay, and in babies there was no premolar, but the premolar are here. Okay, now the second premolar, it erupts at the age of 10 to 12 years. So you know that there are the two sets of the premolar. Now the first molar, it erupts at the age of 6 to 7 years. Second molar erupts at the age of 12 to 13 years. Then the third molar, it erupts at the age of the 17 to 21 years. This is all about the upper jaw. Now let's see in the lower jaw. Third molar erupts at the age of the same 70 to 21 years. Second molar erupts at the age of 11 to 13 years. First molar erupts at the age of 6 to 7 years. Everything is same, the age is same. Okay, so first premolar erupts at the age of 10 to 12 years. Canine erupts at the age of 9 to 10 years. Then the lateral incisors erupt at the age of 7 to 8 years, and the central incisors downward means it erupt at the age of 6 to 7 years. Means you first the lower jaw incisors erupt, then the upper jaw incisors erupt. Okay, there is a distance between the incisors. Okay, so this is. So student, I hope you understood today's lecture. In the next video, we will continue this chapter. So till then, keep learning, stay safe and stay healthy.